Hi everybody, back here in the automotive. I got this Volkswagen Amarok. We just removed the actual TBA filter. So we cleaned the TBA filter yesterday. We cleaned the intake manifold, and now the last thing we're doing now is cleaning the actual EGR cooler. See how that rag was all white. See how dirty it is? Look at that. That's all the soot and dirt inside the actual filter. So look at that. Really dirty. So we do this a lot to all the diesel cars. Most diesel, Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, Mercedes-Benz and BMW, we do all this cleaning for it. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.
دي في وقت تمشي هكذا يبدا السينيال هذا ما نعرف علاش. السلام عليكم. دي في وقت تمشي هكذا يبدا السينيال.